in Jakarta and it's time for shopping! After traveling continuously through the first 6 countries, we decided to take a short vacation in our 7th country, Indonesia. We arrived here 7 days ago, and since then we have been in a simple routine which mostly revolves around editing videos, travel planning, cooking, and trying yummy food like pangsit goreng. Nikhil also got a haircut, which is now his 3rd international haircut, while I am still at a 0. We met some amazing people and made so many friends, and really enjoyed our time in our apartment swimming pool. Now it's time to say bye to this Airbnb and move to a hotel and start exploring and enjoying Jakarta a little more. So we're here and let me give you a quick room tour. Now the first thing that we see when we enter the room is our washroom, and it is actually there's not too much space in here. Like the toilet seat is literally getting with the door. It's coming in between, whatever, but there are minimum basic amenities, and I really like this showering area. But one thing that I've noticed, and I think it's really important, is to check the water pressure. I know it might be TMI for some of you people, but trust me, it's very important. So let's just check that out. It's good. I think it's a small washroom, but I think it's a good one. And I love the mirror. Totally love it. There's not enough storage space. We have settled ourselves up. One thing that I really like about this place is that the safe is not just for the namesake. It has a lot of space inside, so which means that we can lock our laptops and all our basically things inside, and we don't have to carry them around. It is a very spacious room, like in comparison to other hotels that we've stayed in, not in comparison to the Airbnb that we last stayed in. There's another mirror right here. This is a full-size mirror. I really like that. And then there's a TV, table, and a good working table. I like that they have like universal socket. So, because at the other place it was a little difficult to do it. Although our host was super nice and would provide for anything that we would ask for. So, no complaints over there. I don't think we have much of a view.
Well, compared to 33rd floor.
Definitely not. We had a river and a sea view in the other place. We're being so comparative over here only because, we just stayed at one place. So we also want to figure out if Airbnb is better for our work days or like hotels like this that offer breakfast and other amenities and everyday cleaning is better. So this is kind of also a comparison for us. Yeah, so I like it. And the best part about this room, I feel like it has like a really nice bed. Like it's a king size bed, and it's not like one of those springy, uncomfortable ones. It's like a really nice one, like a very sturdy, nice bed. Love that.
This morning we are going to market. We decided not to start our day with work basically, because we have to go out, explore this place a little as well, and we wanted to do some shopping. Trisha has some plans about some printing and all that. I don't know, she has not been telling me clearly. She's telling me that it's gonna be a little surprise or kind of thing, so I'm like, alright, I like surprises.
We're here to shop at Tanah Abang Market. We have very specific things in mind that we have to get. Some t-shirts for me, some t-shirts for Nikhil. I also want to get like one dress. I'm not sure if I'll be able to find it here or not, though these places have a lot of options, but they don't have a lot of size options, so we'll have to figure it out. And also communication is really hard here. We're still trying to figure this out. This market is huge, there's so many things. It's been quite some time that we're thinking to get customized printing t-shirts for ourselves. So we're really excited because we see a shop, and also there's some sort of sewing sort of shop also. What is that called? Like where they're putting needles and it's making a pattern with thread, like the thread work sort of machines. And we do have some things in mind that we want to get printed. I'm really excited for it. I love getting customized things. I love it.
It's a little difficult to communicate over here.
look very cool. So I wanted to get printed, but they have a minimum limit of getting like we can only get like 12 pieces, only then they can take the order, otherwise they can't. But this looks so cool, like it's making there is a logo and they're making that logo with a thread work, like sewing it in, and that looks so nice. So maybe we'll try it for that.
So to get stuff printed over there, we need two specific things. First is a design. Second, the t-shirt, because they don't sell that. So Trisha has already been planning for this for a very long time. Since we got our first logo t-shirt printed, she was like, alright, I need to have some designs ready for the next time I find such a place. And so we have some designs planned. We just need to find the right t-shirts, and she's looking for those.
So we found this very good shop. It has H&M tag clothes. But the point is not that, and that's not the great thing. The great thing is that they have the size and they have amazing colors, like very pretty looking colors. I'm very happy I got something that I wanted, because I was not very happy with other t-shirts. I didn't think that those were like maybe like of the best quality, but it'll do the thing that we want, that it can get printed on. So that is amazing. We'll just figure this out, like we'll just roam around this market a little more to see other things, and otherwise we are going printing.
So we are at Viva Legend, and I'm giving him my first t-shirt to try how it looks in the end. He has the design, we've already WhatsApped it to him, and he's doing his thing, he's printing it in the right sizes according to the t-shirt. Whew, this is getting a little exciting.
It's always exciting for us. For some people this might be a little thing. For us it is like a whole different level of excitement.
I just asked if they're printing it because I did not see it printing, so they told me that it's not printing over here, it's printing at a different place. It's just gonna be stamped on the t-shirt over there. So like, can I see that it's printing? So I'm on the different floor now, and they're printing it here. So it's printing right over there. What is this?
It's a powder.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Let's go.
Let's go. Are you ready? Mister.
Yeah.
YouTuber.
YouTube, yeah.
This sketch of us, Nikhil made this on his own. So this looks super cool. I love this.
I just hope this turns out well.
Me too, because it has a lot of lines, so we were a little
Yeah, thin lines, right?
skeptical, but well, let's hope for the best.
Oh, we're almost done. Nice.
Can you touch? Yeah. Oh, awesome.
And turn around.
This is just a little something. So
Nice.
I love it. Same t-shirts with Trisha and Nikhil. I love that. I feel that this process in itself is so satisfying to watch, like just to see him transfer it. So it's just, I don't know if it's satisfying for you to watch. Is it for you also, Nikhil?
Yeah.
It's just very interesting.
So the second thing that we are experimenting over here is embroidery, and we have given them 2 of our t-shirts, one black, one maroon, and it was a very hard task to find them because everyone only takes around 12 t-shirt orders at one time, and we only wanted to get 2 of them. This is a little different design, and yeah, we've already paid them, and they will not be doing it today. Perhaps tomorrow they will be sending it to us. I'm looking forward to having that. I wanted to see it today, but it's gonna take some time, and they were already preoccupied with everything. So they are gonna do it tomorrow, and they are gonna send it to us. And I don't know how it's gonna turn out. I really wanted to see it happen in front of me.
I'm really excited, like really excited.
One thing to note is that most of the printing and embroidery shops are on the higher floors, around 3rd floor, 4th floor, and most of these places are closing down around 4 p.m. I don't know why is that, but as you can see around me, as we are walking out, most of the place has already closed down. So we don't want to stay any longer. We're trying to get out, and now we are famished. So we're gonna be looking for some food now. After spending a day of chaos at Tanga Abang, we are now at the Great Indonesia Mall, which is known for its shopping and its food. And we just wanted to spend some time in, a little less chaos and a little more AC. So we came here. I'm gonna be looking for food first because this is, it's already 6 p.m. and I'm really hungry now.
I'm glad that this mall is not closed because the other one, the street shopping thing, closed like
At 4:30 something, everything was closed. We
Yeah.
stepped out and they were shutting down the shutters there. I was like,
yeah. Though it says online that it's open till 2 a.m. so I don't understand. But
miscommunication is what I'm gonna call it. Something was
misinformation.
misinformation.
There's so many nice brands over here,
We are going to go eat.
and then check it out.
Yes, then you check it out. I'm tired. There's so many options. I'm so confused right now. We just had some KFC and now we are heading to the 8th floor because Trisha wanted to watch a movie.
So totally randomly, like I just suggested it very very happily, and now we are going to watch a movie. But the show is in 1 hour, so we are just chilling and waiting over here. I'm very excited. I don't know why, but we actually haven't watched a movie in a theater for a very very long time now. I don't think we have even gone to a movie hall to watch a movie after pandemic. Since the last 2 or 3 years, this is the first time that we've come to watch a movie, and that too in a different country.
Actually, 4 years.
Last 4 years, right? Yeah, since the time we've gotten married, we haven't gone to watch a movie anytime because I never usually enjoy it, but just watching it in a different country feels so much. So Nikhil will be doing a shopping haul for us
I'm just showing one thing.
because we actually just got like one print, and then the embroidery one is not there with us yet. We're gonna get it tomorrow. Oh, I love it! So cool. I'm obsessed with this. This is different level.
Yeah, you like it?
I love it. I just think that you drew yourself better than me, but otherwise I am obsessed. It's very very simple, but from the front, but then oh, I love it.
Yeah?
Yeah, it looks really nice.
Indonesia shopping. Successful.
It's movie time.
Meet the residents of Element City.
That was so much fun. Watching a movie in theater after so long was so much fun.
And especially for me, it was just like watching it in a different country altogether. So it
Yeah.
was just so much fun, and there were Indonesian subtitles going on.
Yeah, but
Side by side.
it was in English, yes.
It was in English, but the Indonesian subtitles were going on. So we were just kind of like trying to read and understand their language as well, and the entire experience was
Really
too
fun.
good. Too good. We had so much fun and just so much fun. Loved it.
Now, I guess that was a really fun day. It's
Yeah.
9:30. We're going to go home, sleep, and get back to work from tomorrow.
Yes.
Editing.
Yeah. We really hope you enjoyed this day with us.
We did.
We definitely did. We were not able to shoot a lot because we tried to, get things done first, and everything was just like closing up too quickly.
It was a chaos over there.
Yeah, especially at the first place,
Yeah.
right? So yeah, but we really hope you enjoyed it, and we'll see you the next day. Look who is here! I love it. That's mine. Wow, that's so good. How happy?
I was really worried that this may not end up looking the best.
But this looks better than yours, to be honest. Sorry, but yeah.
I'm not talking about, I was not comparing, I was just talking about crochet, I don't know that's
The embroidery.
embroidery, yeah.
Yeah, so?
I was worried that on a normal t-shirt the embroidery may not look the best, but it looks nice.
It looks so nice. I want to get like at least one more before we go. Yes. I love it.
What?
No, I'm just talking the camera.
The Grand Jakarta.
Grand Indonesia.
Grand Indonesia Mall. There is still 10 minutes to the movie. So, we thought of chilling here with Flash and Batman.